A very pleasant morning to one and all. I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying your online classes. So today, as on last turn of your online English class, I told you that the description of the chart of this table of active passive will be discussed on next turn. So today, let's start from simple present tense. But before that, I just like to tell you once again that transitive and intransitive verbs means to know, to have knowledge about transitive and intransitive verbs is very important. Although I have explained transitive, intransitive, and finite, non-finite verbs multiple times in class, but then also I just like you to brush it up once more. Okay, so these two verbs are very important when we change active voice into passive voice. That time we need to see whether the verb in active voice has been used is a transitive verb, because intransitive verbs in a very rare case will be changed into passive voice. Now we see the we see the chart. Tense or modal plus base. So tense means which tense we are using, that tense we will see. Suppose simple present tense, or with that tense when we change the active into passive voice, we use some base form verbs. Base form verbs means verbs like be form verbs, is, are, am, was, were. Okay, these verbs we use while changing them into passive voice. So first of all, simple present tense. As my dear students, you will be knowing the structure of simple present tense, that is subject, verb first form. For positive sentence I am telling you, subject, verb first form, then object. So subject, and we know that they interchange their position. Okay, so subject becomes object in passive voice and object becomes subject. Okay, so doer of the action will be the object in passive voice. Like simple present tense, if it is in active voice, if it is take, take will be the form, our first form take will be there in any sentence in simple present tense when the subject of the sentence will be plural. If it is singular, then we use takes. In simple present or present continuous tense, what comes? It is am taking. So take, takes, am taking, or it will be I have taken or have taken. Okay, this we will read later. So first we see take, takes, and am taking. So what will be the changes in passive voice with these verbs? This take will be am taken, takes will be is taken. Takes means there is singular subject, with singular subject, and I take this pen. So the pen is taken by me. They take the pen is taken by them. In both types of sentences, whether with singular subject or with plural subject, if the object is also singular, we see that we use only singular helping verbs in both the passive voice. Okay, I am taken and is taken. Once more I like to tell these two sentences. I take your pen. Okay, suppose the sentence is I take your pen and then she takes your pen. There are two sentences. In both the sentences there is the difference of subject. In first sentence there is singular subject, she takes your pen, or if I say I take your pen, and then second they take your pen or she takes your pen. So when we write they take your pen, so they will change into them, and take will be if there, because there is only one object, a singular object, pen. So the pen or your pen is taken by them. Second sentence is she takes your pen. So your pen is taken by her. So in both the sentences we did not make any change in, okay, verb. So verb third form, take will change into taken, takes will also change into taken in passive voice. If I say I am taking your pen, I am taking your pen. So your pen is being taken by me. As we see here, are taken. So are taken or am being taken will be there when there are many pens. So your pens are taken by me. Okay. Or I'm taking your pen. So pen is being taken by me. Then there is another present continuous. Present continuous is taking will change into is being taken, are being taken. So this are being taken depends on the number of the object in the active sentence. If there will be I am taking your books, so your books are being taken by me. Okay, this here you may have some confusion that why here is being taken and are being taken has come. So is taking will change, is taken, I am taking your book, so your book is being taken by me. Is will remain same. Okay, in passive voice with third form. And in second sentence are taking, so are taking your books, I am taking your books. So your books means many books are there. So here your books are being taken by me. The same way present perfect tense has taken, so has been taken, have taken, have been taken. Then simple past second form of simple past structure, if you will go through the structure of simple past, so it is subject, verb second form and object. So the verb took has come, so with took we will use was taken. Okay, and if there will be plural subject then it will be were taken. Then past continuous tense, with past continuous the same formula will be applied here also as we did with present continuous tense. Here it was is taken, here it is was taken in past continuous tense. Okay, then past perfect tense had taken, here also will apply the same thing which we were applying in present perfect. Has taken will be changed into has been taken. The same way had taken will be changed into had been taken. Okay, then simple future, will take, so these are modal verbs, will, shall, can, must. So in these we will use be, will be taken. Okay, so we see I will take your book, I will take your book, so your book will be taken by me, so will be taken. Okay, then shall take, shall be taken, I can take your book can be taken by me. Must take, you must take some exercise. So what will be the sentence in passive voice? When we say in active sentence with must, here we see must plus base form. Okay, so you must take exercise, some exercise, so some exercise must be taken by you. Okay, students must know when to use the active voice and when to use the passive. The ability to change, the active voice into the passive and vice versa is not sufficient. The active voice is used when the agent, that is doer of the action, agent is what, doer of the action, is to be made prominent. The passive when the person or thing acted upon is, it is to be made prominent. Okay, so as I have told in very simple language, you can see the sentence I have been invited to the party. So who is, someone has invited me to the party. So what we will say, I have been invited to the party. So I have been invited to the party means someone has invited me to the party. So this is active and this is passive voice. All orders will be executed promptly. Okay, so we will execute all orders promptly. So here, in such cases, the agent, we see the agent with by is usually avoided. So we do not use by someone. Okay, like all orders will be executed promptly, so it will be by us. So by us, then only we use we will execute in active voice. Okay, so these are very common things, and normally we speak many sentences in passive voice. For your homework, today I'll give you some one or two exercise to write in your classwork copy, and on next turn of your online English class there will be revision for unit test 1. Okay, so I hope you all are preparing well for your unit test exam. So once more I'll give you revision so that you should not have any confusion regarding your unit test exam, that multiple choice questions will come. So you have to read the story very well. Okay, in very proper manner you have to read the story, because multiple choice questions are being taken inside the chapter. Okay, so prepare well, be happy, be healthy. Goodbye, have a nice day.